I feel like I am Tupelo, Mississippi. I am Mississippi, and so when I go out and I have my Toyota uniform on, I look to impact people and change people's lives.
Without Toyota here now, I'm not sure where all these 2,000 people would be. Toyota has really impacted this community and America as well.
Having a plant startup is something exciting for a community that I lived in and started with. To date, we're about $3.7 million just in our giving as a company to this community. We have a $50 million endowment that we've been working on just to help improve public education in this area.
For me, being able to go out and put a face along with the brand Toyota, it just goes a long way for the people of my community.
My hopes for the future of this plant is that we continue to grow with this company and get even bigger. My children grow up here and this community's thriving, they'll thrive.
When I'm around in the community and I hear, the community talking about how Toyota did this or Toyota did that, or the impact Toyota is making, not just on the employees here, but the people that live around here, I'm a part of something that special, of a company who cares that much about making a difference. Really does give me a sense of pride and joy of who I work for.